Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the document understanding to extract the data from PDF. Okay, so in this code you will see, like we are going to traverse a file and from one of the folders, and the bot is going to perform the operation on one of those PDF files. So this is a folder from where we are going to read the file. So right now we are just for the sake of time, I have placed only one file over here. Okay, so before going through the document understanding, we should understand like what the document understanding is. Document understanding is one of the product of UiPath, which has been used to extract the data from any document types. For example, we can extract data from PDF file as well. Okay, to use the document understanding, first we should have the license keys. You can find these license key in your cloud orchestrator. There is a API key, right? So these are the API key. It is very important for a document understanding that needs to be used. Okay, in this code you will see like I'm going to start the bot. In this, the bot is going to read the file, one file from the folder. It's going to do the operations. Okay, in load taxonomy. Okay, so load taxonomy is just like it's one of the dependencies which the bot have. We need to download the packages when we want to use the document understanding. So this is one of the package intelligent OCR activities. We can get it from the manage packages, right? Okay, and this is a stage. My second stage of this is digitized document. Digitized document, it is used during the document scanning. In this we apply the OCR engine. We are in this video we are applying an opening page OCR. It is one of the OCR engines to extract the data, to scan the data, I can say, at this stage. Okay, classified document scope is used to classify the documents with the help of keywords, right? So if I click over here, you can see the Cyrus. So with the help of Cyrus keyword, bot is going to identify, like this keyword is used for this Cyrus PDF only. Okay. Now after then the classified document, we need to have the data extraction scope. So data extraction scope is like it is used to extract the data from a PDF using the extractor. So in this over here in this video, we are using the intelligent form extractor. This is the endpoint. These are the public endpoints. I'll mention these endpoints in my video description, so you guys can use this URL endpoint for your document POCs, document understanding POCs, right? Okay, so here if you click on manage template, okay, so manage template, it is one of the template which is used to explain the document file format. Okay, if I click over here, you can see that the document type I have mentioned is Cyrus PDF. Okay, and these are the PDF, these are the keywords that is used to identify, like if it is belongs to the Cyrus PDF. And these are the invoice number, invoice date. These are the field name values that needs to be extracted to the document understanding. Okay. After then we have the export extraction result. Export extraction result is it is one of the stage in which we are going to write the data which is extracted in this stage. Okay. And so we are going to write this data in one of the Excel file. Okay. So we are going to write this data in data folder test.xls files. Okay. Now let me execute the bot. Let's see what happened. So bot is going to read data from this file, Cyrus. You can see the data is being written into the Excel file itself. Okay. And if I click over here, I can see this one test file. You can see that this text file is been written over here. So these are the values that has been written into the Excel file after the bot extracted that data. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope this video will help you to do some small POCs for document understanding. And if you want this code from my side, you can email to me for this code, and I'll mention those email addresses in my video descriptions. Okay, thanks a lot. Please subscribe this channel so that you will get more videos whenever I upload these some of the great videos on these channel. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.